Chat, what's good, man? Holy. Oh, fine. Fine. We'll start the stream. Or should we start the stream? Should we just call it a day? It's been a long one already, to be honest. Chat, who's here right now? Let me know who's out and about. Come say hi. It's a big day today, chat. We gotta make serious millions today. I'm talking like probably six or 7 million. 6, 7. You know that joke where that guy goes 6, 7, you know, and he like does that thing with his arms and he says like 6, 7. You know that one, guys? You know the 6, 7 joke, guys. You know the one with 6 and 7? No. Is SG guy late once again? Oh my days. Not today, Baze. I'm not getting caught again today. Low-key, it can't keep happening. Oh, wait. Chat, I've got some new chart colors and I'm not sure you're going to like them. So I'm a bit hesitant to start stream. Because last time I showed you guys my chart colors, you went, no, these colors. Put it back. I was like, nah, please, come on, boys. Like, these are really nice chart. No, put them back. It's my impression of you guys, by the way. Chat, let's start the stream, man. In 3, 2, 1. Come on, son. Chat, what's popping? How are we doing? Let's get a bit of hype in the chat, man. Wait, we need some more hype music. Let's just skip this forward a little bit. Maybe it gets a little bit more energetic. Chat. That's better, see? Straight off the bat. What's good, Danny, Blizzy, Josh, Ewan, Eli, another Josh, Baze, Volas. What do you mean, ooh? These are nice. These are nice. Man. Been your problem the whole fucking time, the chart colors? Bracket seat height? What does that even mean? Handle colors are fine, but the background is mad. What do you mean? What color do you want me to have the background then? Fine. Better? There you go. The Fanta background. Better for sure. Oh wait, hang on. Oh no. Black? You can't even see the wicks when it's black. That's too much. That's too much, chat. We gotta go for like a light gray, I think. Orange. Chat, you gotta be some form of like psychopath if you have like a red background on your charts. And then we gotta make everything white then. Because as we know, chat. I'm not gonna finish that sentence. Oh, you guys are annoying. Fine. You guys are actually annoying. I can't even change my chart colors because you guys start crying. I want to add a custom background. You can do that on C-Trader. It's actually pretty cool. Is this better? I feel like it's not better. It is? Yo, change it to a pink background. I'll change you to a pink background. How about that? All right, chat, listen. Feliz Navidad, all them things over there. Happy birthday and all that. Chat, we've got a big day today. CPI. CPIs. This is not TJR colors. TJR has different colors. I think. Doesn't he have a white background? Anyway. Chat, news at 1:30. I asked yesterday, because chat, we took 2 losses yesterday at the start of the free challenge. Like, what a way to start it, eh? So the first one was on stream. We got taken out by like a few ticks and then ran to TP. Cold, right? You love that. The second one, even better. It literally, this is like during, right? It swept these lows and then just immediately went, calm. SG and the boys are out, and just ran immediately up to TP, like within like an hour. So I asked yesterday in the Discord what we should do. Do we full port or do we recover it normally? Oh my God, Mark. Yeah, we'll check in a sec. And I think we're gonna have to buy stop, sell stop on news, to be honest. And then we'll go again, right? We'll do it properly. But that was just crazy, like genuinely insane trading. I would take those trades again though. That's the thing. Yeah, like, here it is, chat. Here's the actual example. Chat, look at this. Look at this, man. Like, it literally went, sweep the low by 1 tick, and then just went, yeah, all the way up to TP. Just use ICT at this point. Never, ever talk to me about that guy ever again. All right, that's better. We were the liquidity. Loki yesterday, we were the liquidity. We actually were. Yeah, that's the first losing day. That's the first day I've had 2 losses pretty much ever. Chat, all right. The next question is, do we full port NQ or do we full port gold? I'm only going to do that on 1 eval though. Chat, yesterday no, not yesterday. The night before that I actually cooked. Both? Smart. Chat, let's do a little analysis though. Daily time frame on gold looks unbelievably good. 4 hour actually looks good as well. I do think this daily is going to flip, to be honest. You got 2 hour. Yeah, kind of started to range a little bit. The 1 hour did just sweep the lows here on gold. Didn't sweep the overall lows, but swept like the most recent. And then now it's pushing up. I would say, honestly, we've got like... I mean, you've definitely got a level here. Right? Once you start to close above, I'd say it's right here at 46.08. You should continue up towards 46.31. Otherwise, you might have a little cheeky one in here. Let me put the heating on, bro. It's cold. Anyway, chat. Remember, anyone on the 0 accounts to set TP? There's no consistency on 0 accounts. On eval, there's no consistency, right? You can pass in 1 go. Isn't that the whole point of the 0 accounts? Yeah. Mark, I don't know what to do with that, to be honest. Low key. Sorry, chat. I was just reading a message from Mark. You might be cooked. Just try and charge it back on the card, then. Just like go to your bank and charge back. That's what I would do. I just hit TP on my sideways position on NQ. W. Is it smart to full put all your fundeds with 5 minis on silver? Maybe. Wait, what just happened? Hourly flipping on gold here looks actually kind of clean. No kizzy. I think we'll wait till CPI before we get any positions today, though, chat. Low key. But anyway, what was I saying, chat? Oh yeah. So in terms of levels, right? Bottom level is going to be down here. This does look clean, actually, to take some buys right now above here, but I would rather probably wait till CPI, to be truly honest. The rest of the buys will be up after you close above 608 to take us up towards 631, and then, yeah, we're good. That's the simple analysis there, chat. By the way, I am working on a full YouTube free course. You guys you will never have seen anything like this, I promise. It's going to be a fucking movie, literally. Hopefully I can get it done relatively quickly. I don't want to rush it though. I reckon it's going to be like 6-7 hours long. Fuck's sake. No, it's going to be quite long though. I'm not going to lie. So yeah, it's going to take a while to like get done, get edited, get uploaded. But what do you guys want to see? Should we make it like a bootcamp type shit and post every day? I was thinking about that, but I'm actually just going to do a big long one. Maybe we'll get some more female viewers then. Updates for the academy course? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, chat. So anyway, let's do NQ analysis real quick. Daily time frames bullish, no top wick. 4-hour time frame is bullish. 2-hour time frame also bullish with the 1 hour as well. Wait one sec. Well, low-key chat, I just did a boy look. I told my girl to look for the remote for the heating. It was like right in front of me on my desk. I'm like, I feel like that's the meta though. You just like, I don't know. Fuck's sake. That's not even working. Fucking hell, this stream's a shambles, chat. Hourly time frame though, what levels do we have? You got like a little micro range here. If you watch the video that I dropped yesterday or the day before, now when did I drop that? I dropped it yesterday, right? That video will explain exactly what we need to do right now. After we break out this range on the hourly, we can take the bias to continue up towards at least 971 and then even higher up. And if you do continue down, you got lots of room to the downside. Like you've literally got room all the way down towards 738, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, chat. So basically what we'll do is we'll wait for a closure above this level here on NQ. If you get that, we'll take the nice little buys. Otherwise, we'll be waiting for CPI. Bootcamp is goated. You can filter out the get rich kids. Nah, it's gonna be one long video. You'll see why when I drop it. She claimed you found it and looked like an absolute hero. No, she literally came in and went, "It's on your fucking desk." What's good, Jar? How you doing, man? Can you help me get funded with Top Step? I'm currently up 1461 on my eval and get a $1,500 payout. What? Oh, wait, I'm so confused. What do I do now? Mark, go to your parents. Wait, I'll DM you because I don't want to. Mark, let me know when you get that message. I'm going to delete it though because I don't want to be. I get enough to flip on what? On gold? I think that's a good play, to be honest. I think that's a good. Yeah, nice. That's a W. I was pretty certain this would run up. That's a nice little sky dweller there, to be truly honest. Yeah, I'm bringing out something exclusive as well for the one-on-one students within this week. We're just working on some stuff. I'm bringing out a new. I don't even want to tell you guys what it is yet. I'm bringing out a new thing that's going to help everyone's trading. But I'm going to give the one-on-one students it first for like beta access. And then they can use it, see if it's good. And then it will come out to the rest of you guys. How can I get the withdrawal from the 50K? How can I withdraw the 50K from my Apex account? Ah, smart. You have to go into the back end. Request a 50K withdrawal. I already know what it is. I don't know. Maybe you do. Can you show us how to full port on Project X? Yeah, man. What you want to do is, first of all, you have to load up Project X, right? Load up Project X. I'm not going to show you guys my login. Then you go to your eval, give the one-on-one a little crumb of info. You guys will get the full access this week, so it's fine. You go to NQ. No, I clicked MNQ. You need to go to NQ. Yeah. Just don't come up with what I want. There you are. All right, NQ. And then what we'll do is we'll go to like the 1 minute like this. You basically right click. You right click. Holy shit, it's lagging. See, this is what happened yesterday, chat. Remember we got in that trade yesterday and Project X just started lagging. Then you do stop buy, like 2 up here. And then you would do like stop buy, or stop sell, like 2 down there, you know? And then once news comes out, it goes, whew, whew. Oh shit, don't activate me. Okay, but yeah, that's what you do. Pretty simple. They tried to nerf me at the door, chat. They actually did. Chat, listen, 60 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream. We've got CPI in approximately 35 minutes. It's going to be a good one today, low key. Chat, by the way, if you're not already in the free Discord, make sure you are. For every single future giveaway, what have I changed it? For every single future giveaway, you need to be in the Discord and you need to be wearing the server tag. It's very important. You got to rep TRLS, right? You have to. That's the rules. Bow, 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 bow. Actually forgot to like. That's crazy. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Banned right now. But listen, chat. How's your guys' week been so far? How was your day yesterday? I know we got cooked a little bit. I know the boy Anil got a payout. Congratulations. Cryptomaniac also got another payout. TRLS boys are absolutely ripping it. To enter, you must not be wearing pants. That's a very crucial step. Are you on gear, or why do you have Trend in your name? I'd love to be on Trend, but I'm not. It's just because I go to the gym, right? And when I started creating social media, that was when like the Trend twins were starting to blow up. There was that other guy, D-Trend, like loads of people. And I was like, oh, I do that. And I also trade. So trend lines, trend below and acetate. Made 6 days salary in 2 days. Woy, W Joshua. If someone is actually going to be very careful, if someone's actually going to do that, be very careful. Both positions don't get activated. Tradify is an instant ban for that. Now, yeah, we're doing it on an alpha eval, so you can do it on an alpha eval. I mean, realistically, it's either going to pass the account or get account blown. It's that simple. ATP. Bro put in the name for ATP in the chat. That was literally my entire biology A level. Adenosine triphosphate, right? Right, heater on. Yeah, man. Okay, chat. Yeah, I need to get back on creatine, low key. Low kizzy. Is it cold in Cyprus? Nah, it's warm outside. My apartment's always cold in winter though, because it's designed to keep it cool in summer as well. So you have to stick the heating on, but I mean, it is what it is. I just stop it in the first place. I just get sometimes distracted, you know? How many schmeckles will we make today? Like, so many schmeckles. It's insane. Anavar? Yeah, but you need a test base. You need a test base if you're going to do Anavar, healthily. You're getting December CPI today, right? No way. Is it actually December CPI? What's good, W7? Welcome back, man. Can you full port on top step? Yeah, but also the reason why I'm not doing creatine at the minute is because Tom fucking came out here and started dry scooping the creatine into his mouth and used all of my creatine and put the spoon in his mouth. So like, I'm not going to use that now, am I? You have consistency on a top step eval, yeah. He sniffed it all, I'm sure. I'm joking. I don't think he actually touched the spoon with his mouth, but still, like, he did use my creatine. But yeah, can I just have this, mate? It's like, yeah, you can use it. And then it was just like, oh, could I have some more? And it was like every day. Chat, if you guys do want to buy an Apex to FULLPORT CPI, there is currently 80% off using code TRLS. Make sure you go grab an account. It's very important. Is there a discount code I could use? Yeah, Danny with the assist. Holy shit, gold's ripping right now, chat. Just before that hourly close. 1 minute? Nah, CPI comes out in wait. CPI comes out at past, no? Don't do this to me. Yeah, past. Whoa. Holy shit. You had me tripping there. Bro just loves to spread fake news. It's literally the harbinger of just fake news in the chat. I messed up, sorry, it's good. I was about to say we missed it. I was like, holy shit. Ban that motherfucker, yeah. Chat, 50 likes on the stream right now. If you haven't watched the video I dropped yesterday, by the way, chat. By the way, for those of you who haven't watched it, because I know some of you haven't watched it because it's doing really fucking shit, right? It's got like barely any views, and that's all because of you guys in the stream. Go watch it after stream, man. Seriously. James May. Yeah. This one. Rate good video, chat. Fucking rate good video. Happy FULLPORT day. What's good, Gaz? Happy FULLPORT day. Love it. I think we'll do it on NQ, to be honest. You got shadow banned after saying... Nah, no way. No way. It was so far away from what they wanted me to say, I think. Because I don't have an American accent, right? So I would... Hypothetically, when I say that word... No, if I say that word... I don't say it with an E. It goes with an I, you know? Hypothetically, though. You know what I mean? Little boogie chat before CPI, you know the rules. You have to do the CPI dance. Sort your trim out as well. Yeah, nice. Well, I'm guessing I'm still on the horse trank. There's no way bro's actually taking the trank. Chat, gold buys right now look pretty juicy, I can't lie. We should have taken it, man. We FULLPORT in the account, right? We might be. We might be. I mean, we could try recover it. What do you guys think? I just think it's like... bit of a waste of time. 62% say port it. Chat, by the way, if you're not already following the challenge, make sure you go ahead. I know it didn't start too well, but there we go. Go ahead and click this in the Discord and then click this TRLS icon right here. And then you can basically join in on this challenge. What bird should I send in the Discord? Your favorite bird. Goth Latina Tom. Oh, Goth Latina. Bird. I get it, I get it. Chat, we need another generational run up like Sunday night. Sunday night on gold was ridiculous. These buys do look clean though. We swept the low, closed bullish. We didn't catch it on the flip, unfortunately, and we didn't catch it here because of CPI. So we'll wait to see if we get a closure above, and then maybe we could take it up. Who knows? You're pretty much already at the resistance though now. Thinking of Tom as a Goth Latino? I honestly thought of like Tom as in my student as a Goth Latino. During that, reading that chat out. By the way, boys, I'm stuck on the Wordle. Want to see the new Minecraft builds? Yeah, send them over. Chat, what's the word? Look at this, man. I've got no words. There's literally only an O. Wombs? No, it can't be an O there. It has to be something. Wait, something. O. Something. There's no CK. GH? Could it be like... There's no T or R. Chat, what's the word? Oh, there's U. I didn't know I hadn't used the U. That makes it a lot easier. Bro, I was like, oh shit, I thought I'd used the U already. All right, okay, wait. Something, O-U. Type of food. Soup. Floop? Oh, it's got to be floop. It's actually got to be floop. Try something? There's too many letters, mate. Can't be flour. Low-key, I'm going to guess it, though, just to get the letters in the place. Oh, my days, there's no way. So, something U. Something O. What? Maybe the O's there. What? Fucko, yeah, it could be fucko. But nah, Omar's just got it as well. I've just seen that on the right. Scone? No. I don't know. Fuck it, I can't be asked. Oh. All right, chat. Can we see a closure above the level? You wouldn't DM me the word and I'll pretend that you didn't do it and I pretend I got it myself. Yeah, fire. No, I'm joking. Check my bird. Oh yeah, okay. Wait, and I want to see the Minecraft builds as well. Oh, that's a pretty cool bird. I'll give you it. Wow, that's insane. Thank you. Chat, we spiced up the wrap this morning. You guys will never guess what I've got in the wrap today. You guys normally know we come in with the egg and bacon wrap. It's got added chorizo this time. Thank you. Literally, Mr. Protein. Look at this shit, chat. A little bit of chorizo in there. Don't even know what to do at this point, man. Get some ketchup in it. Chat, you gotta be fueled up before CPI. Sauce? I always come strapped with the sauce, don't you worry, chat. Alright, big day today though, man. Don't do that to me, I'm hungry as fuck. Simple trick is you get a girl who looks after you and cooks. Super easy. And then food just magically spawns in. It's kind of crazy. I just spawned in at my door. Views on CPI today, bullish or bearish? I got no clue. Could do either. Could go up or down. The one thing I do know is it will continue to go to the right, though. Definitely. Like, if you look on, like, I don't know, the 1 minute chart, it's going to go this way. Definitely. It will continue. So, like, realistically, if you could somehow figure out a way to take a position going that way, then you're good. Oh, yeah, you don't see chart. Well, I was talking about going right. I actually described... Great streaming, bro. I was describing what I was talking about. Holy shit. You guys are... Imagine if it pulls a 180 and goes left. What do you even do? Well, I guess you know the price action, right? So you can just take sells going down. Coco long and drawdown. Oh, no. That's not good. Comics in 10 and news in 20? Yeah. Low-key, Danny, W on those gold longs you took. They were actually super clean in hindsight. I just didn't want to take anything before CPI. Are we trading futures or pasts? Low-key, if you could trade pasts, then I don't know. Do you know if Apex asked for another verification to take a payout? No, I don't think so. TP hit? W. W. Short or long CPI? That's a Greek name. W. We might do buy stop, sell stops, to be honest. You're never getting the Wordle. I know what it is. Jar, what is this? Some sick and twisted game where you torture me over not getting the Wordle? I feel like I'm in sore right now. All right, chat. By the way, probably a classic mixed news. Hopefully not. By the way, chat, let's get to 50 likes on the stream. If we get to 50 likes, then I might do I don't know, a giveaway. Maybe. Yesterday's one pissed me off a little bit. So, I don't know. But either way, chat, make sure you're in the free Discord, right? I'm in there all the time. You know what I'm going to start doing as well? Trade breakdowns in the free Discord. I'll just record a little video and do the breakdowns of the trades we took and put them in there. I think that's a good shout. Can you not hear the market makers talking when you listen closely? You were kind of close to them on Cyprus. Yeah, maybe I'll go to the beach and get some binoculars and look over that way towards where you're talking about. Maybe they'll give me some hand signals or something. Chat. The chorizo in this wrap's a game changer. Absolute game changer. Buy or sell, please, sir. I need 50k fund. Ah, yes. Buy or sell, please. 50k funded. Chat, we are absolutely ripping up right now. I've got a little bit of FOMO. I'm joking. NQ is just ranging here before CPI. I reckon we're waiting to make a big move. The move skis. Do not redeem. Why did you redeem? Took the flip. Nice. I'd wrestle 100 gorillas for you is crazy, you know. That guy that sent that message to me, I don't even know what to say. Loki, you have to respect it a little bit. But, like, also kind of not. Alright, chat, let me eat this up, and then we can lock in properly. I can't be eating before CPI. I'm too nervous. It worked? You saw his message? Nah, the best outreach message I ever get. Chat, the preface is, right? Every single day I get about 10, 15 messages from growth operators saying they can scale my course and my brand and shit like that, right? Or clippers. A lot of time it's clippers as well. And bro, one of them, some guy just messaged me saying, bro, your dick pic got leaked. And that was the first line of the message. So obviously I clicked it and he was like, nah, I'm just joking. Here's how I can make you X amount a month. I was like, nah, fair play. It's actually fair play. That was great outreach. All right, chat, we're good. Chris Scales. One hell of a dick bait. Smart. Chat, we are ripping. 15 closing above here as well. Holy FULLPORT. Order filled. Imagine. Chat, order build. What do you know about order build? Not much, apparently. Could this just be liquidity, or is this going to continue upwards here? You do have the sweep as well. Maybe after news, if the hourly closes above, we can actually take like a genuine position. There's a reason you clicked on that message? Nah. 15 closed here, chat, above everything else, which is kind of crazy if you think about it. It's actually coming for the bottom wick too, but we've got 15 minutes till news, chat. Like, come on, man. Yeah. We gotta wait, man. Unfortunately, we gotta wait. Create a role in the Discord called Mr. Builder and give me it now. Oh, did you send them in? Wait, where are they? Oh, you put it in trading chat. Yeah. They're pretty nice. I'll give it to you. Pretty nice. Respectable buildings. I definitely couldn't do that. Honestly, not that nice. Whoa. Caught a huge job yesterday. 185 pips times 2. Nice, man. That's actually a big move. Danny, #1 hater. Danny actually is #1 hater. Danny's Mr. Beef. Bro just starts beef with whoever he can. Just for the fun of it. Mr. Grumpy Pants. Might change his name to that in the Discord. Mr. Grumpy Pants. Alright, chat. Who's ready to lock in for CPI? Let me take this plate out. I don't like shit on my desk. Shit on your desk for then. Yeah, you guys are well funny. So funny. Nobody was going to make that joke, bro. Nah, Danny literally did make the joke. So, yeah. Chat, we have a nice range here, though, for a FULLPORT on CPI. I'd honestly be going, like, here, and here. And then you just do like bang. Target is like... I think I have to watch TGR FULLPORT in his live account on news. Is he actually doing that? Wait, I want to change my chart colors on here. Real quick. What do I have on Top Step? I have like... Alright, wait. Black. White. This. Yeah, W chart colors. Honestly, W chart colors. What's the background color though? Canvas. Grid lines. None. Honestly, that might be W chart colors right there. It's like a kind of bluey gray. I might have to make this the actual chart colors on, you know, on the thing. You know what I mean, chat? You know the thing? Made over 400k in November from news on his demo account. Crazy. He made 400k on his fake brokerage account that you can change at any time. That's sick. How do you do that? Oh, you just like ring the broker up that you're affiliated with and tell them to change it. Oh, sick. That's cold. That's actually super cool. I'm gonna do the same. Yeah, man. Chat. 9 minutes left. Change your chart colors to the one I sent you on Insta. Oh, it's gonna be a joke. He's live trading. You can just add his performance, dog. Add up his performance, bro. Please tell me you're joking. Please, please, please tell me you're joking. Ewan, what did you send me? Oh, was it the other day? Oh yeah, the black and black. Yeah, that's actually low-key smart. Oh my gosh, guys, just bought an Apex account. No way. You should drop your course bootcamp style like TJR, only 100% legit and with things that actually work in the market. Nah, I'm gonna do one big long video. I'm not gonna lie, I'd rather drop one like 8 hour long video. We'll come back after news. All right, man, in a bit. Not having it? I mean, obviously, like, obviously. Drop a mixtape? Yo, a mixtape could be fire. I've got no bars though. Literally 0 bars. Bro, I can't. Is Levi in here? Bro bought the wrong fucking Apex account and now I see his wealth charts. That is so sad. Try and freestyle, dog. I'm literally a white middle class man from a suburb somewhere in the Midlands. Like, there's 0% chance I'm rapping about anything other than, I don't know, private education. I got no chance. Chat, how about this? I'll bring someone up. I'll bring someone up in a Zoom call on stream and you can freestyle. And if it's good, we give them a funded account. What about this? I think that's a good idea. Cricket rap. Start rapping out like Yorkers and shit. Smart. Right, 65% of people in the pass to payout challenge said full port CPI. So I will be doing buy stop, sell stops on stream in 5 minutes. Nice. Make money on the chart. My tummy hurts. Yeah, mad. This track on Kiyosama. Thought NQ Wicksword more. We thought that last time, right? And then NQ just ripped. But also the reason why is because gold's like pushing up right now. You got no range to like put it in between, whereas we got a range on NQ. That's the rationale, bro. At the end of the day, it's just fucking gambling, isn't it? Like, quite obviously. What you can do as well is let's just set. We don't need to do risk. Let's set our TP at like, we need 4,000. 4,000 is a bit aggressive. Maybe we can do like 2,000. Automatically apply risk to profit bracket to new positions. All right, cool. All right, chat. How long do we have here? 5 minutes. Exactly. NQ looks good though, I think. Just have to zoom out a little bit. Bro, missed it. True, I think 30 points is better. Avoid liquidity sweeps. I think it's 30 points. That's what I heard as well. So like here. Oh wait, no. You do it like this. You go long position. Make the stop loss 30 points. And then put that where price is. Like that. And then you do the same but the other way. And you put 30 points stop loss. And then you put it where price is. And then wherever the middle bit is, that's where your limits go. Make sense, chat? First ever full port. Only ever do it if you like only do this, chat, if you can afford to lose the account, right? If you can't, then don't. Because it is stupid. How many cons? I'm gonna say 2. I think two's a smart shout. You actually taking it? Yeah, on an eval. So then you just move these up like this, right? Casino time? Yeah, why not? Legitimately, chat, if you can afford to lose an account, this is a very good way to pass accounts, like evals. I did it for my Apexes before a couple of times. I think I did it once. No, I didn't do it on a top step. Let's go gambling. Are you in already? No. What we'll do, chat, is... I mean, maybe I'll place it just below the levels. These look good, to be fair. Hell yeah, since you're taking it and I trust your analysis, I'm going to use my loan as capital. Chat, house mortgage on this trade right now. What rule had the biggest impact on your consistency but was the hardest to follow? It's a good question. I would say... That's a really good question. What was the biggest impact on my consistency but hardest to follow? Not over risking was hard for me at the beginning because I wanted to make money quickly, but like the best impact was like dropping my risk, definitely. TP, I'm just going to do the auto bracket thing, right? So you just go like to position bracket here. You set your profit or whatever you want. I'm just going to do like 2K, maybe 3. Let's do 3K. And then you just click save changes and apply to new positions, and that'll basically stop you. Imagine you get slipped halfway to your target. Wild. You don't get slipped as often on futures, but yeah, it's obviously still a possibility, right? Like, everything's a possibility. Chat, we have approximately 50 seconds here. So chat, now I'm going to start to put the levels in, right? I'm actually going to put mine a little bit below this range here. Let's see how this one plays out, man. 10 seconds till news, chat. 4, 3, 2. Oh shit, we got activated. Is it gonna wixel or are we gonna push straight through? Chat, I'm going BE on this, by the way. Chat, closing out there. Order filled. Plus $1,700. Bang! That's how you do it, chat. W Gambles in the chat. Pass both accounts. Guys, www.fullport.com, chat. Low-key, we could have let it run, but I'm taking that. Did you guys see me spamming that X button, bro? Literally, I swear to God, I was going bang, 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 bang. Like spamming that X button to try and get it closed. All right, GG's, chat. Drop a like on the stream. $1,700 on that one. Plus 2K on my new Apex. Bro, Mark, you literally just said before this, I just bought a new Apex, but I can't afford to full port it. And now he just says plus 2K. W chat. I'm confused. My NQ is pushing down. How did yours fly up? Are you looking at gold, maybe? What are you looking at? Please don't add it to the stream record. Nah, of course not. Of course not. Of course not. Chat, this is going to fly, though. It's still going. Holy recovery, though. That account was in fat drawdown. We're back. Holy shit. W Mentor. I mean, no, that was straight gambling, chat. Drop a like on the stream nonetheless. I don't condone that if you can't afford it, but my TP was at 3K, but it got me out 2K. Ah, it is what it is. Bro, I'll take that every single day. Control Shift S. Low-key, we probably could have passed the account if we had bigger risk. But I also think we probably would have got cooked. First time doing this is fun as fuck. Yeah, do not get addicted to it. Chat, in before right now, I just drop a fucking video saying how I passed this account, and it's just not that trade at all. It's just fresh fucking trading. Straight gambling, but at least you took the chance to go risk-free. Yeah, I put stops to BE, man, because if that shit flipped, we were cooked. Holy. All right, well, that one went well. Let's actually lock in and trade properly now, though. Oh my days, bro. We could have made $1 billion if we had... Did anyone use more than 2 cons? What do people normally do? Because I think 2 cons is about the sweet spot, because realistically, we went into a bit of drawdown on that trade. We lose the good setups and make it back by gambling. This is straight bull knowledge. Chat, sometimes if you can't beat them, join them. Yesterday, we took 2 A+ setups and got cooked. So today, I thought, well, if the A+ setups don't work, let's go degen mode and we'll make a bag. And we did. I forgot I was on a 50K. I should have done 4 cons. No, I did 2 anyway. That was also a 50K. Oh, you... Yeah. Okay. Dan, here's what it is, man. Was in a 5K drawdown. We back, baby. Congrats. Wait, I'm still trying to figure out how renter... By the way, chat, the pip and dippers on that is insane. Chat, drop a like on the stream. Join the free Discord if you haven't already. Discord.gg/TRLS. Links in chat right now. It's very important that you do. Holy Portosaurus Rex. Got a dip? All right, guys, in a bit, man. Did you actually pass 2 accounts for that, though? Before you dip? If I didn't set my TP, my gold would have been so much. Yeah, true. But you also could have got cooked. Does this only work for CPI? CPI is the best because it doesn't really whipsaw. Now, 1. Oh, it said Bosch, not both. Still, W, bro. But you passed... That's crazy. Bosch account passed? Oh, yeah, okay. My bad. I thought you said both accounts. I read that wrong. Clean. My NQ doesn't have that crazy top wick. Maybe you're on a delay. I was already 1% up. Fire. Chat, accounts now at 5100 pretty much. That's funny. And now we just take this slow and steady to a pass, right? Yeah, if your account was already up 1%, you would have literally passed that. I'd be up 16K. Wait, you did 5 minis? Wait, you did 3K on a PA? On Apex or what? What is bro doing? Nah, that's a W though, low-key. Respectable full port. This is what I've been saying, chat, the whole time, right? Like, everyone's... literally, I realized very recently, there's an arc in your trading. You know that graph where it's like... this one. And it's like the smart guy on the left, on the right, the stupid guy on the left, and the middle guy or whatever. And it's like, here is full port news. All the retards do it. And then full port news, because it's actually a decent shout at passing evals. And in the middle, it's like, no, never full port. Bro, low-key, it's true. Like, I went from being like, why would you ever full port news, to now with funded accounts being like, yeah, obviously you should full port news. It's low-key pretty smart. Yeah, low-key, I think 5 minis would have been the shout. I don't know why, but I'm trying to figure out, right? Let's watch the live action replay. Let's watch the live action replay on this, because I think we might have got stopped out with it. Because we only had $1,000 of drawdown left. And I think what happened is, I think we went up for a little bit, down, and then back up. Biggest mistake was having a narrow TP. Good stream. Stream's not over, boys, but yeah, W. I think we went... Or maybe we didn't. Oh shit, we got activated. Yeah, we did go down. We went down. Okay, we went down 240. So we would have survived it, actually. I'm going BE on this, by the way. Yeah, we would have survived it, like, even if we had 5 cons. But I just thought, fuck it, why not? Coco tanking, I'm fucked. Oh, it's mad. How does one miss CPI? Did you miss CPI? Cooked. We just full ported it, I'm not gonna lie. We just full ported it and made 1.7K. Full porting is just over risking with a high validity event. I think it's a skill issue. Maybe. I only trade egg prices now. Crazy price action. Can you trade eggs? Egg. You can't trade egg futures, unfortunately. That'd be fire if you could. Loki, I'd be trading egg futures all day. Yeah, if we can get a nice closure above here on either gold or gold's gonna go to all-time high. Yeah, you can trade wheat. You can trade weather futures. Yeah. Isn't FULLPORT a bit risky on funded account? Yeah, definitely. But on a futures funded account, they're so cheap. It's like the ROI for me is worth it. Also, I would never do it on like a past funded account. Only an evaluation, you know? Eggs was the highest inflationation item in Australia. Mad. Oh, did anyone get Iranian Real shorts the other day? Have you guys seen this chart? Wait, does it exist? Oh no, there's just no chart for it. Great. I wanted to see the chart of it actually dropping. Oh, you got to zoom out. Wait. What is this, man? Oh, that's the US dollar versus right there. I don't understand news, Phil. I copy traded this shit and one account is only made 184. You don't get the same fill. You got to think about it, right? There's got to be some form, Tom, of input delay between you, because it doesn't copy trade the order, it copy trades the trade. So what happens is like account number 1 gets filled, right? And as that account number 1 gets filled, it then sends a signal to account number 2 to then execute the same trade. So there's going to be like some microsecond delay here and you get different filled. Yo, Trent, this is my first stream. Join the Discord as well. Been binging your vids on YouTube and Insta. I wanted to say thank you. Appreciate the content, bro. Helped me a lot. 2026, let's go. Hey, W, bro. I'm really, really glad to hear that. Welcome to the community. Welcome to the streams. Welcome to the videos. And yeah, 2026, if you lock in, it's going to be the year. 1000%, man. Like, there's no doubting it, right? It's genuinely a zero-sum game. If you just put the work in, you will get to where you want to be. Have you taken any payouts from Apex? Yes, a couple. 5 minutes though, and we went to the moon. No, bro, but you would have got like entered in super late. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So you would have got entered in like here, and you probably closed just a little bit higher up. Chat, we got some mad pip and dippers off that trade. Holy shit. $15-minute closing here shortly. We are starting to reject a little bit on NQ. Is this all-time high? No, not quite. Gold's just, yeah, did anyone call Phil? Fuck, yeah, who called Phil, man? Nah, not Mr. Van. Van, what's poppin', my guy? How you doing, man? Tell me stream later? Yeah, for sure. We'll jump in the Discord stream later, 100%. Let's just put some mad negative RR position. Cat, that was a fucking insane trade. Loki, that was actually crazy. I did not. I mean, yeah, I kind of expected it to work. CPI is basically the. I'm good, bro. Good to see you just still doing the same old shit and making it happen. I appreciate that, man. What you been up to? Hopefully you're still doing well. I'm very, very good. I'm very, very good. Fill my range. Crazy. That's ridiculous work. Couldn't take that. Future call out and barely missed it. What do you mean, man? So I'm about to cry? Oh, you just missed it. My bad. Well, actually, not my bad. Your bad. It's fine, bro. It was a risky play, right? It's a news gamble at the end of the day. My second stream and I like it. ... so far. That sounds ominous. Like you're still making judgment. Or like it's gonna turn shit soon. Did you take this one? No, we didn't. I did have NQ buys though. I don't think the stop loss is big enough. Oh, true. Wait. Let's go put this one back. Yeah, to be fair, you are right. There is some wicks down here to the left, so we can make this one a bit bigger. And I think this TP is a bit aggressive. We should probably be a bit more conservative with this one. Ominous, no. Humorous. Nah, it's all good, bro. I'm just messing with you. When fucking BE? Did you hit BE or no? Or did you hold it? If you held that, you genuinely, if you held the NQ trade, you would have seen. I mean, look, we closed within the first minute candle, probably around like here. You probably would have. You could have passed the account off of that. As in funny. I got it. That position looks crazy. 0.01. It's actually 0.07 RR. $15 just closed, by the way. Bullish, but below the 15 level. So you want to kind of see now, because we kind of have this area here. We filled the range. So you want to see it now close above here, which is kind of tough, to be honest. I can see my whole world changing. Can you show us your fastest 6-7? You guys are genuinely cooked. Like, some of you guys need jobs, like ASAP. Especially that T-Mac guy, bro. He's desperately in need of employment. Full-time employment, too. Bang. McDonald's manager? Well, bro, we got to start somewhere. You can't go straight to McDonald's manager. Like, you got to start on the line somewhere. You can be fry cook or you can be the drive-through. Oh, good evening. Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you? You can do that one first. But manager, bro, you got to collect all those little stars they have. What's good, Bedge? How's it going, man? Yeah, let Tom flip some burgers first, man. Someone has to fucking... What is it? Flip the burgers? I don't know. What is it that every e-com guru in the world says? Somebody has to flip my burgers, bro. Yeah. Drive through at night, close to a bar. Wow. Got to say the ice cream machine is broken at least 1,000 times before you hit manager. Low-key, when we used to... when me and Tom were at uni, we all used to go to Mackey's after a night out and then just like not order anything. But you know when they shout numbers out, you just walk up and go, yeah, that one's mine. And it worked for a good month. And then eventually they were like, hang on a second. This keeps happening. So then what they did is you'd go up and then they'd just say, oh, what is it you actually ordered? So you had to try and guess basically. And you never get it right. So like I'd go up and they'd be like, oh, what did you order then if this is yours? Be like, oh, triple cheeseburger. They'll be like, no, this is a fucking Happy Meal, mate. But it worked for a while. $15 pushing down here, chat. Bottom wick. Flip. Mr. Rays, what's popping, man? You just missed the full port of the century. What a recovery, chat. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do. You know what I mean? Sometimes you just got to do what you got to do. Like, realistically, chat, this was my mindset on that one, right? You basically, our account was down $1,000 from this challenge. By the way, guys, if you don't know, I'm doing a free Discord challenge. If you're in the free Discord, I'm taking a funded account from a fresh 50k PA to a past funded account and then to a payout, all live with you guys. But the account was down $1,000 yesterday. Now, either you've got $1,000 more of drawdown left. Either you can go ahead and be like, all right, cool. I'm going to slowly and steadily recover this. Gay. Or you could full port CPI like we just did and bag yourself like a nice little $1,700, recover it and go from there. Simple. Realistically, though, for opportunity cost and like time-wise, that is way more worth it. Because I don't want to spend more than like a week or so on an eval. If you're spending more than a week or so on an eval, for me, I mean, it's different when you're at different stages of trading, right? But for me right now, it's just a waste of time. But if you're someone who maybe can't afford like multiple evals, or you've only got one eval, or you've never had a payout, yeah, then you can take your time with it, right? But it comes down to opportunity costs. Didn't one in the Discord recover an account for 6 months? Someone probably did, yeah. I mean, that is a W nonetheless. If you can recover, I always say this as well, chat. In fact, I was told this at the beginning of my trading career, right? I think it was Huss that told me this when I was like a brand new trader. He was like, bro, if you can recover an account, then you can pass the account. It's actually true. Like, think about it. Everyone goes into crazy lock-in mode when their account's near blown, and they start trading well, and they get it back to break even. Loads of people that I know are seriously good at trading when they're in drawdown. The moment they go back into profit, they just slack off. What that actually means is you do have the ability and the discipline to lock in and, you know, trade appropriately, take the right setups. But you just don't do it when you're in profit because you either get greedy or overconfident. So if you can recover an account from a loss to break even, that means you can pass the account. Words of wisdom. $10 mil. You have no idea how much I relate to that shit? I promise you, bro. It's the truth. Gold buys with a big daily flip. Is it flipping? Did the daily flip? Oh, yeah, it did, right? Holy shit. I told you guys, I had gold buys down here yesterday somewhere. I think it was like here. No, it wasn't. It was... Where was it? Last night somewhere. It might have been... Yeah, it was probably here on the open. You would have got taken out though either way. But there you go. If you had it at 6... Yeah, I wasn't awake. About to be 2 years since you first started streaming. Just thought about it. Oh shit, yeah, it is. Chat, it's nearly 2 years since the first... I guess it wasn't even a TRLS stream back then. It was a trendline stream. When was that? Let's go to live. Who's your trading mentor? I had a couple. Not really. I didn't really have a mentor. Like, I spent a lot of time learning shit by myself, and then I also watched like some streams and shit. Most of the concepts are some stuff that I've like modded myself. 17th of January. Wait. Oh, there's no way, bro. There's no way. Long GC now? Bro, no signals in the chat. Unironically, I ban other people for putting signals. January 17th, but January 16th is stream. So maybe we should do a January 17th to make it the 1 year. But or we just do it on the Monday afterwards. Probably that's what we're going to do. I think we filled a lot of ranges and moved up a lot. Yeah. potentially. I'd rather pass the new account than recover an Apex PA with 500. Yeah. CPI wasn't even that good. Yeah, what did it even come out as, actually? Like, a little bit below. Like, a little bit good for gold, but nothing crazy. 0.1%. Barger ranks. I actually never watched Barger ranks ever, really. Didn't Roger Banks get sued for tax fraud? I don't know, bro. But then again, there's nothing wrong with tax fraud. Like, when people try and use that to discredit people, I just keep thinking like, and? You know when they were like, oh, Donald Trump didn't pay this much in taxes because he used an offshore. It's like, yeah. I mean, like, obviously. Who the fuck? Like, paying taxes isn't cool. The left use it as some, like, moral high ground of, like, at least I pay my taxes. What? So at least you donate money to the fucking state of... like, what? Why does that... Why is that cool? Gold doesn't even care how the news came out. It just waits for news and jumps up. Yeah, true. It's not about the numbers. It's about that it came out almost as forecasted. Yeah. Lamau. The state of what? You guys know about the state of Schmezerel, right? That's why Sam's the GOAT. The GOAT! Actually, I'm the GOAT, chat. I was talking about the state of the economy and the state of the market right now. Nothing else. Sleeper agent activated. All glory to the... I'm joking. Sam, you give free relationship advice? Yeah, sure, why not? On this Jaden Smith shit. Let's just talk about the political and economic state of the world right now. Why does no one ever want to talk about the political and economic state of the world right now? I don't understand. If I was an American, I wouldn't pay tax. Taxpayers think it's a flex. They just fund... Yeah. But, well, what, you think it's different in the UK? Oh, my friend, you're very much mistaken. State of TRLS coming soon. Mad. Imagine we have our own fucking, like, independent sovereign nation. It isn't different, but it's less obvious. Yeah, that's true. To be honest, I'd rather it be a bit more obvious. At least they're like, yeah, fair. We're literally shafting you in every single way. Economy looking great. Got a 5-minute inverse FVG. This means that housing prices are going down. Fire. All right, chat. Hourly close in approximately 2 minutes. Chat, I can't believe I had fucking gold buys down here earlier, man. Jesus. Like last night during Asian. Maybe if NQ can close. I just don't like this liquidity wick. This is kind of pranging me out a little bit. We have it on both as well. You filled the range on gold. What we could do is we could look for an aggro play down here. If you get like a bottom wick tapping into, because gold realistically should fill like break all-time highs. With that news, the bottom wick on the daily, it'll probably be a PA trade actually. Who would have thought, chat, by the way, 2 years ago when we started the stream and we were literally Mr. Stay disciplined, 1 trade a day, no full porting, no risking your accounts, and now we just fucking buy stop, sell stop CPI for 2 baggerinos. What a transformation that's been. Who would have thought? What's good, Uran? How's it going, man? Let's make a TRLS currency then. GBP TRLS, fire. Evolution at its best, trust me. Yeah, we'll look at something like this on gold. But it looks like we've already just started to reject. 5-minute flips. Old you would have thought that you're a fake trader. Maybe, yeah. Shunt, I knew it. What do you mean you knew it? So, low key though, when you called buys, we were here. Well, we moved. I want to see it come down further though, because I don't like this range fill. Done for full point in CPI, now to run up blackjack. Yeah. Someone get me a stake sponsorship right now. So annoying trading on Apex now because I don't have Trading View Premium. Trade on Tradeovate then. Oh my days, Chad. Are we pushing back down? What's going on? Maybe we can get a bottom wick. Maybe. Yeah, if we get a bottom wick tapping into here, I'm porting. Are we porting this shit, chat? By the way, are we on 50 likes right now? Oh, bottom wick. Oh, bottom wick. Oh, bottom wick, chat. Oh, bottom wick. How did the 5 close? Bearish still. Might have to wait for it, chat. Saw a trading game on a crypto casino. Is Max win this shit? No way. What kind of strategy do you use? TRLS strategy. PA? Nah. For this trade, no. I mean, I'm not in one yet, though. But if it taps here, then yeah, maybe. I feel like that'd be insane for it to come down here, all the way here, though. 2R, 4R. Oh, we just flipped, chat. Yeah, not much I can do here, to be truly honest. What's NQ doing? Oh my god. Chat, NQ close respecting. Which is not good, right? No position there. Gold is decent, but... Oh my god. It's a bit of a sticky one, chat. Because you got no real bottom wick on this. I want a bigger bottom wick. What kind of strategy do you use? Did you just ask me the same question twice, even though I answered it? I feel like you did. I'm gonna lie, bottom tick the NQ on the pullback. I'm gonna try bring it. I'm gonna try to bring it to 26k. What pullback? Oh, here, mad. Crazy gold pullback here. Are your charts delayed or something? Rentero. It's not really even moving. I got one account with 0.2% drawdown left. What if I recover it? W then. Should have full ported CPI on it. Unironically, you would have recovered it. It's called the TRLS strategy. There's a full course coming out. I mean, there's one already on the YouTube, but there's an updated full course coming out hopefully by the end of this month. Straight up 10 minutes behind you for some reason. Your charts are delayed. You gotta log into either like log into an Apex account on your trading view. Bro, you can't trade with a 10-minute delay. That's actually insane. You gotta fix that shit. If you log in with a Tradeovate account, it will stop the delay. Chat, I'll be back in 1 sec, yeah? Chat, the stream just froze. What the fuck? I just had to do some work. Apparently when you have a job, you have to do stuff. Fuck that. That sounds horrible. Love it when I get follow requests from the fake on Discord from the fake Trendlines accounts. I know, yeah, that's so fucking ridiculous. I'm not gonna lie. Chat, I'll never like request to follow you or DM you first. Easy way to check is just send a message in the Discord server saying like, yo, is this you? I'll be like, no, you're an idiot. I won't be. I'll be nice. I'll be nice, I promise. Is gold gonna fill the range here, chat? It's possible, right? I mean, realistically, we should break all-time highs at some point. I don't see why you wouldn't. It's just, can we get a position? I will send me money. Only if I get 50% of it. Deal? Okay, thank you. I will checking it out. Yeah, go watch. Actually, just the easiest way is just go watch my most recent YouTube video and then binge watch. Chat, just binge watch the playlist that says trading education on my channel. It's literally, well, funny, but it's trading education. Who would have thought, eh? Who would have thought it? Not me. What is this shit doing, chat? Is we serious right now? The barcode of doom. And despair. Oh my god, everything's barcoding. I think we gotta wait till NYSE for NQ. Payout is due, need 900 more on Apex and already have 5 profitable days. Nice. Last video was fire. Yeah, chat, the last video I dropped was actually mad. Like, you guys have to watch it. I put a lot of time into that and it was fucking super valuable. Literally taught the wick entry in like 10 minutes. And then we backtested it. So like from that exact video, you would have learned exactly how to trade the wick entry. Ow. Oh, that's nice. Check the 30-minute. On what? NQ or gold? Are we going to hit all-time highs here, chat? I have a sneaking suspicion that we will. What, are we back to trading? I thought only full porting now. I already blew through all my fundeds. All my personal funds. Crazy. Holy bag work. Sorry, Carson. I was talking to TGR and the boys. Rack work. I'm up on a top set 50k account, 2150. Don't know if I should take a payout. Drawdown would be only 10.75 left. Yeah, take a payout. The meta on Top Step, chat. I was talking to Tom about this the other day. Or yesterday. This is what I did to get 30k in payouts in November. Is you just go, you get a 50k, you pass it. Oh yeah, good. Black text. That's what we want. You pass it. You get the account to 2k profit. You take a 1k payout. And then you get the 5 times winning days of 150. But instead of 150, you just do 200. Now you're back at 2k. And you take a 1k payout. And then you rinse and repeat over and over and over. And you basically have infinite 1k payouts. How should we indulge in Goy Slop on this fine day? I don't know about Goy Slop, but the Goy Slop media is getting me, to be honest. The Goy scrolls. I've been scrolling like a good Goyim recently. Low-key need to get off that shit. Smart? Yeah, it's smart. Just take a payout as soon as you can. Yeah, like, you should always just take the payout. But if you can get to 2k on a top step, it's pretty fucking good ROI. Chat, we're pushing back down here. 5 minute has no top wick. Which is kind of interesting. Oh, can we trade this? Not really. I'm just trying to see. Yeah, I don't really know what I would take here. I've got stuck scrolling on the Goy Slop memes. It's enough? Yeah, it's actually enough. How does Apex drawdown work? Well, once you get to the buffer, the drawdown stops at 50,100. I would take even the 500 this week. Getting the payout on Apex is already a flex. Yeah, Loki actually is. Low Kizzy, it actually is. Oh, chat. We are ripping back up here. Just give us an entry, man. Just one entry. Is core PPI good to full port also? Nah, CPI only really. I feel like I've created a monster now because realistically, chat, that full port could have gone one of two ways. Like the way it did, or we could have just got absolutely categorically cooked. So like, realistically, yeah, it went good. And now everyone's going to be like, oh, should we full port the next news event? It's like, nah, you have to do stuff situationally. You can't just like be super reckless and everything's going to be okay. Everything in trading needs to be calculated. This is a screamer on the background, by the way. I don't know if you guys can hear it properly, but nice little summer tune. Can you put some good music on, or is it DMCA? Wait, yeah. I can't put copyright music on. I mean, this is technically copyright, but it's not as bad. Still need to finish the Wordle? Yeah, I know. Do I need to manually calculate and withdraw only 50% of the available balance, or is the amount just shown as available for withdrawal? On what prop firm? Low-genuinely? Low-genuinely. Chat, did you know that a couple of days ago, it was the first year that it was one... yeah, like on Sunday, it was the first year that it was 1-1-1-1. on the date. You know, it's like the 11th for the first, like number 1. It's kind of crazy. Obviously, we're talking about like 1 AK, right? Can't even do it. I just arrived. Did you trade CPI? Yeah, we made $1,700 on CPI. How does the 15-minute look like, SG? Bros look like using me for the charts because his is delayed. Also shows, basically you can request 50% of what your account balance is. I don't know your situation, so I'm not really too sure, but my RNG is elite. The market doesn't allow me to get lucky. I always end up with the NL if I take anything outside my plan. It's always that way. It's always that way. Like, I never really get lucky. I mean, that one was lucky. But most of the time, if you break your plan, you're going to be unlucky. Chat, what do you guys think of my new light in the background? I know you can't really see it, but it's just a ball of light. I think it's quite cool. Got some trees in the background as well. Oh yeah, my bad. Sorry, I thought that was Rentaro saying that. I read the message below. It's a vibe. It's always a vibe. We are just ripping. Can't see the trees? Look at that. Can't really see the trees either, but they are. Beginner's luck is there. After that, you just get... Yeah, you do. You just get cooked. That's actually true. Chat, I'm going to add that trade to the stream record later. No, I'm joking. 15 closed bullskis here, chat. There's like a really strong resistance right here on the 15-minute, though. Told you the 5-minute flip was the move? Maybe. I can't wait, though. I'm going to redo my whole setup like in front of me as well. So I'm going to have like the wooden board things. I'm going to get the wooden board things put up here as well. I'm going to move this poster down so you guys can actually see it. I'm going to get maybe a TRLS sign or some shit. I'm going to get... What else? Like a little down light. It's going to be cool. You should get a bonsai tree. You could trim it slowly whilst explaining the trade. Smart. TRLS flag. Flag would be insane. I want the LED light though. I'm not gonna lie. I might have to hit up that Chinese guy. Hello, homie. I'm Tony. That guy. LC signs. See? Low-key, his marketing works because I think of an LED sign. That's the first thing that pops up in my head. W branding from that guy, low-key. Get a TRLS chain? Imagine. That would low-key be fire. Did you just say hero? No. Must be racist. Yeah, maybe. What? No, no. Chat. Anyone take anything else today? Any other positions? Yeah, by the way, I'm going to do a trade breakdown of yesterday's trade in the TRLS Discord, right? I'm going to drop free value in the Discord. So make sure there's also all of the like the shotgun method PDF, the playbook, and the journal all in there. Caught gold longs on open, nice. NYC opens in 12, yeah. I'm 5 accounts breached for now today. Doing better than yesterday? How is that doing better than yesterday? How's 5 accounts breached better than yesterday? What happened yesterday? Did you fucking go out and shoot someone? Like, what? Yesterday, bro lost the GDP of a small nation in Africa. Creatine good? Yeah. It's a tough time for bro. Someone on my video yesterday put W video, we love supply and demand. I don't even trade supply and demand. Sam, on a scale from 1 to 10, how smooth is your skin? It's pretty smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Apart from like the calluses on my hands from gym. But other than that, looking better than yesterday's actually sad. Yeah, unironically. Chat, let's see if the 30-minute close is above. Wait, what's NQ doing? Because we've got NYSE in 10 minutes. Oh, pushing up, chat. Pushing up, chat. Let me get a drink real quick. I'll be back. Very nice. Very nice. Wasn't there an insider penis joke in his streams? I can't remember. I don't know. Nice music, by the way. Thank you, man. Tu parles français? Non. Non. Close above on NQ bottom retest? Yeah. Nummies. Yeah, we might take all-time high here, chat. Chat, have you guys ever had this drink? Have you ever had one of these, chat? It's a really nice drink. I think they're really nice. Gold 4,700? Imagine. What's good, Tracy? Ban bays, no 6ix9ine jokes. Yeah, this is true, actually. We might have to implement a not 6ix9ine, 6ix7. We might have to implement a no 6ix7 protocol from this point out. It was not even a joke, fam. Yeah, you're just not even allowed to say the word 6-7 now. If it comes to the point where like we're trading at 46.67, I'm gonna have to say something different. Oh man. All right, chat. Let's see what NYSE does. If nothing forms here, we'll play the GeoGuessr. We'll call it a day, and then I'll go and I don't know, start a scrap with someone on the street. Why not? Chat, by the way, if you guys do want to grab a fresh funded account, or if you want to join on the challenge that I'm doing to get an alpha account passed and to a payout with you guys, code TRLS at Alpha Futures. The link's at the bottom of the screen as well, or the code. Code TRLS Alpha Futures is going to get you literally 1,000,000% off. They pay you to get... No, I'm joking. 10% off. All accounts. All right, retap the resistance here, chat. I'm banning myself from blowing prop firm accounts. Smart. Yeah, because if you just tell yourself you can't, you're not going to do it, then you won't do it. Simple. 30. Oh, okay, 6 minutes chat to NYC. Oh my days, chat. My chest is aching from the gym yesterday. I actually had a crazy workout yesterday. What did you do? Oh, basically, I did incline dumbbell chest press, like chest bench press, whatever. Incline dumbbell press on a Smith machine. Fire. Then I did some lateral raises, heavy lateral raises. Then I did some flat bench with dumbbells. Then I did some flies, like on this machine where your arms are like here and you go, wow, it's fucking crazy. And then I did some triceps. It was a good day. Would you recommend Cyprus? Yes, in every single metric, other than the one thing that Cyprus is shit for. There's one thing that Cyprus is actually two things. Two things Cyprus is really, really bad for. First of all, it has the worst drivers I've ever seen ever. Just Cypriot people just do not know how to drive. It's unbelievable. Like yesterday, I had some guy in front of me on the motorway. I was trying to overtake him and he was just swerving in and out of the lane. I drive past him. He's smoking a cigarette and on his phone. It's like, yeah, fair. They don't indicate. They're fucking terrible drivers. Number two is you can't get shit here. Like, I can't really get anything. I had to ship my monitors in from Germany for my PC setup. I had to... yeah, like my girl's an artist, right? She keeps trying to get art supplies and you just can't get shit. It's just mental, bro. But other than that, it's perfect. Like, really, really perfect. I think Cyprus is bad in terms of driving. You should come to India, mate. Yeah, fair. Chat, if we close above on this 30, longs do look good though, low key. But you have to close above. How to be profitable cheat code in this order? Accept Jesus Christ as your savior, go to the gym, play Rocket League, join the Discord. That's goated. That actually is. Accept Jesus Christ as your savior, go to the gym, play Rocket League, join the TRLS Discord. That is the way to become profitable. Shout out Rocket League. Rocket League's goated. I'm going to download it. I'm going to re-download it again. Because Loki, I always say like I don't have time, but I'd rather do that than like, I don't know, doom scroll. I Loki, if I didn't post on social media, we never got to play together. That's true. Loki, if I didn't have to post on social media, I honestly would have deleted them a long time ago. So I just doom scroll. I ranked down to low champ again. Well, you're still better than me, bro. The best I ever got was low champ. And now I'm probably like, haven't played it in like a year. So I'm probably plat. I'm probably shit. Got a quick little $200 trade in the gym. 8-day salary in 2 days. Nice. Chat, NQ closing bullish above maybe in 2 minutes, hopefully. What's gold gonna do, man? Do I still have the Epic launcher? Because that's what I have Rocket League on. I don't think I have it. Fuck, I deleted it. I don't have Instagram or TikTok on my phone at all. Only Discord, and I use my PC to check Insta so I don't doom scroll. Yeah, that's smart, bro. But I can't post and like record shit and post stories. I kind of have to have it. I do have two phones, so I was thinking about having one where it's on and one not, but Hmm. Why do you have 2 phones? Businessman. I have 3 phones? Ah, bro's just one-upped me. Isn't YouTube social media too? I always get caught in these shorts. Trying to get caught in my shorts, huh? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, chat. Emil. Oh my god, NQ just rejected last minute. What the heli? The Helionte? I don't think I'll ever say that again. Are we gonna see like a fat NQ rejection over on NYSE? I think gold goes to all-time high, but it's closing below, which is tough. What's NQ doing? Low key, it's forming like a sky dweller here. Yeah. Kind of tough to trade this, to be truly honest. Can't really take shit here. I thought there'd be more volume though. There's normally hella volume on the open. Right, it's kind of just doing nothing. What's gold doing? Also, like, kind of nothing. Baze, I'm not falling for that one, bro. Can't fall for that one. Yeah, all right. I think that's me done. I think that's me done for the day. We caught a banger. And yeah, that's realistically it. Yeah, I can't take shit here. All right, so let's play the GeoGuessr, man. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Much love. Let's go make a mill after on PM session in the TRLS Academy. And copy this link, please. Holy shit. See you tomorrow, like every other day. Boring trading is profitable trading. Facts. Big facts. Join the game, man. Right. Oh shit, you guys did join. All right. I was about to be like, yo, what the fuck? Let's full screen this. 30 seconds. Okay. Start game. Good luck, chat. GLHF, all of that shit. Nah, he's not, Joshua. He's not. I think he left. Oh, my days. Good. Just give me the blurry screen of doom and despair. That's what we want, chat, right? Oh, I'm good. I can't even see the map as well. This will be sick, chat. Just couldn't even... Mad. There's no way I'm actually, like, top 3 and I couldn't even see the screen or the map. You guys are cooked. That's when you know you're in serious danger, chat. I don't even know where this is, chat. It could be literally anywhere. Somewhere out here. Yeah, nowhere near. What's Ladbar Motorwagen? Chat, where is this? I'm leaning towards like somewhere here. Yeah. No bueno. Nah, what is that? Like, come on. Low-key, she does look... I'm just saying. Maybe it's just a terrible fucking design, but... Nah, see, I told you. Where is this? Brilliant. So apparently it's just in the middle of the sea. I hate this game sometimes. Brilliant. Like, chat, how am I meant to know where this is? Just middle of nowhere again. She's a mermaid? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, just put it somewhere in Chelyabinsk. Chelyabinsk. All right, I like bald men is crazy for a name on GeoGuessr. That's ridiculous. Why do you like bald men? Second of all, Bedge comes second and Triz third. W chat. Much love. Have a great rest of the day. If you are trading, trade responsibly. Other than that, chat, peace out. Much love. See you guys in the next one.